this video we are going to draw this planning of a house which is of lot size is 25 feet into 26 feet. Okay, so total area is equals to 650 square feet. Okay, so it is located, so these are all the details. Okay, so here you can see in this video, so we are going to draw this structure, we are going to draw this plan. Okay, so here you can see, so clearly this is a double bedroom house containing of a hall, kitchen, and its toilet is also present. So here the washroom is also present. So from here you can see that, so here it is a north. So okay, so since it is a north, so this is an east face one. Okay, so this is an east face building. Okay, here you can see by the reflection, is a west face building. Okay, sorry, it is a west face building. Okay, so west, east and north, south. Okay, so let us go and construct this one. Okay, so for that, okay, so let us draw this plan. Okay, before that let us see what are the wall sizes. So here you can see this total size is 25 feet. Okay, so for that we have to minus this one to gain the wall size. Okay, so it is 12 feet 2 inches and this is 12 feet 2 inches. So total is equals to the 24 feet 4 inches. Okay, so 24 feet 4 inches means so it will be the 8 inches wall. Okay, right, 24 feet 4 inches means it will be 8 inches wall. Okay, and so here, and how much the inner wall will be, so this is the outer wall is having 8 inches wall, and I think inner wall is having 4 inches. So okay, so before that so we will be first of all drawing this one. Okay, so for that let us go here in AutoCAD and we will be doing this in this AutoCAD plan here. Okay, so click on this AutoCAD start drawing option here. When we click on the start drawing option here, you will be seeing this workspace. Okay, so in this workspace, first of all what we have to do is we have to give the units, dimensions and limits. Okay, so for that and click on this UN, enter, click on this UN, enter. So units box will be appearing. So here you have to select the units. Okay, so for that here I am selecting engineering since because the plan is in feet and inches. So in here I am selecting engineering. So here you can select 0 feet 0 inches. So I am selecting this precision, and here units we have to take in feet. Okay, so in this way we can go here. Okay, so here when you click on this engineering, so here you can also contain the lighting units for specifying the intensity of lighting. Okay, so if you want generic you can go for generic, or any other international you can go here. Okay, so here I am selecting the engineering and precision is feet and inches. Okay, so let us click on this OK option here. Come OK. So here the units have been set. Next what we have to do is we have to click on set the dimensions. Click on D, enter. Okay, so after the dimensions, so the dimensions here we have to give the dimensions, but let me create this new dimension here. Let us give it as a feet 7 or engineering dimensions. Okay, click on this continue option here. So here for new engineering we have to clear the dimensions. Okay, so let it be all as per the requirement. So here let us go here and select your scale as engineering, and I am selecting it as 0 feet 0 inches only. Okay, so alternate units, tolerances, etc. will be appearing here. Okay, okay, next let us click on this OK option here. So here we have to select this one, and next click on this close option here, set current. Okay, set next click on close here. So the dimensions has been given. Okay, so next step is that we have to give the limits. Okay, so for that I am going to take as lim enter. Okay, limits. Okay, so here we have to give the limits. Okay, so for that I am taking the limits from origin. Okay, so here I am giving it as 0, 0 enter, and the limits will be given as 1000 feet 0 inches, comma 1000 feet 0 inches. Next click on enter here. So the upper right corner and the lower right corner has been given. Okay, so that means the drawing sheet dimensions we have given. Okay, so our next step is that we will be going for here and directly drawing the planning here. Okay, so for that here you can see this is a rectangle which will be containing. Okay, so later on we will be drawing the staircase. Okay, but let us draw this internal plan in this video. Okay, so here you can see the outer dimensions are, that means the building is having a 25 meters length, and the length is of 25 feet width, and this is the 28 feet, so 26 feet length. Okay, so here you can see 25 into 26. Okay, this is the plot size. Okay, 25 into 26. So we are going to draw this one. Okay, so for that go in this AutoCAD option here. Next click on this rectangle here. We have to click on the rectangle. We are going to specify the first point, and next we are going to give the dimensions. Okay, so click on D, enter. So the length of the rectangle, how much? So the length of the rectangle is we have taken as 25 feet. Okay, 25 feet. Click on enter. So the width of the rectangle is how much? So the length and the width is 26 feet. Okay, so click on this enter option here. So here you can see the length and width has been given. Okay, so later next we will be giving the walls. Okay, so that it is according to the plan or not. Okay, so I am selecting this point and this point, and I am giving here. So here you can see it is 26 feet. Okay, so it is as far according to the plan only. So here you can see it is 26 feet, and this is the 25 feet. Okay, so we have taken that one. Okay, so delete this one. Okay, okay, so if you want let me give this dimensions, height. Okay, okay, let us click on this text height. So from text height will be how much? I think let us give it as 2 feet. Okay, click on this option here. Okay, next click on this set current, click on close here. Let us see. So here you can see. Okay, okay, next delete option. So normally for outer walls we will be giving the different dimensions. For inner walls we will be giving the different dimensions. That means different thicknesses we will be giving. Okay, so what are the thickness we will be giving for the outer walls and what are the thicknesses we will be giving for the inner walls. Okay, so for outer walls, since we have to protect it from loads, okay, so for that we will be providing the walls with 8 inches or 9 inches, okay, 9 inches and 2 feet wall, 12 inches wall, okay. In this way different kinds of walls will be using, okay, for the exterior protection, okay, for the exterior walls, whereas in interior walls we will be going for the 4 inches wall, 5 inches wall or 6 inches wall, okay, as for our requirement. Okay, so next our step is that let us add the next, so we are going to draw this wall. So that means this wall which you are seeing, this wall, okay, this wall. So we have to create this wall for the one, that means the outer walls we have to give, okay. So for that purpose, here go and select this rectangle, click on this offset option here, okay. So we have to specify the offset distance. So how much the offset distance? So as I have said you earlier, it is of 8 inches. Okay, click on this 8 inches, click on enter here. Okay, so here you can see, so the offset has been taken inside, okay. Okay, so the outer walls has been created, okay. So in the next we have to place the columns here, okay. So for that part we have to place the columns, we have to divide the rooms, etc. So before that, after adding the exterior walls, I am going to add the columns here also, okay. We can also add the columns before that one, or else we can add the columns after the adding rooms also, okay. So first of all, let me explore this option. So explore this rectangle, so click on this explode option here. So it has been exploded, okay. So here you can see only single object is been selected, okay. So next step is that here you can see, so from here to here what will be the distance, okay. Here you can see it is 11 feet 5 inches, okay. So from here to here the distance will be 11 feet 5 inches, okay. So from that 11 feet 5 inches we are going to draw the wall, okay. So sorry, it is a 11 feet 8 inches, okay. Okay, so for that let us go here and we have to draw these two rooms, okay. So for that I am going in this option here, okay. So I am selecting this one and I am going to take this offset, okay. So from here to here what will be the distance? It will be 11 feet 8 inches. Click on enter option here. So we have to place it in this way. So in the same manner select this one and place it in this manner, okay. So here you can see, so the inner walls have been given, okay. So next what is our step? So let me go and see here. So this walls, this room and this room, for this room so we have created the partition walls, okay. So for kitchen also we have given, okay. So our next step is that we have to give the walls for this washroom, okay. So we are taking the same dimensions for the washrooms also of wall, okay. So as we have given the interior walls, the wall thickness, that wall thickness only we will giving for this toilet one, okay, for toilets, okay. So click on this and so let me click on this escape option here. So I am selecting this line and go to offset option here and we have to specify the offset distance. That means from here to here what will be the distance, okay. So by selecting here you can see it is of 5 feet. So from here to here the distance is 5 feet. So we are going to give this one, okay. So for that we are going to give the distance as 5 feet, okay. So that means we are going to give the offset as 5 feet only, okay. So for that I am giving the distance as 5 feet, okay. Okay, so from here to here the distance is 5 feet, okay. So next from here to here also we have to give the dimensions. Okay, so before that let us see what will be this wall thickness. Okay, so based on that we will be giving that one. Okay, we will be giving the wall thickness for the bathrooms. Okay, so here you can see it is a 4 inches wall. Okay, so let us click on this option here. I am giving it as 4 inches wall. Click on enter here, select this one and give it on this side. Okay, so here after giving this, click on escape option here. Okay, so here you can see the walls, that means the walls along the x direction have been given. So next our step is that we have to add the walls along the y direction, that means towards the upside. Okay, so for that let us see what are the walls present in the upward direction. Okay, so here you can see from here to here it is of 16 feet 10 feet. Okay, so we can go here and draw the 10 feet option here. Okay, okay, from here to here it is 10 feet, and next from here to here it is of 7 feet only. Okay, so and next we have to add the wall thickness also. Okay, so for that let us add the walls in the y direction. So here to here it is 10 feet, from here to here it is 7 feet. Okay, so then go here and next click on the offset option here. So we have to specify the offset distance. It is given as 10 feet. Click on enter here. From here to let us give an this side. Okay, next what we are going to do is in the same manner we are going to select the offset, and here for offset we are going to give the 7 feet because kitchen having the dimensions as 7 feet only. So from here to here. Okay, here we have given the dimensions for the kitchen also. So our next step is that we have to add the wall thickness for these two walls. Okay, so for that what will be the wall thickness? For the interior walls we have seen that the wall thickness will be 4 inches. Okay, so click on enter here. So select this one and we are going to add this side. I am selecting this and I am adding to this side. Okay, so here you can clearly see that the walls in y direction have been added. Okay, so this is a kitchen, this is the washroom, and this is a bedroom, and this is also bedroom, and this is a hall. So next our next step is that we have to trim this one. Okay, sorry, we have to trim this extra walls which are present, and next we are going to make it a perfect structure. Okay, so